Hello students, this is the second part of our second chapter, exponents and powers. Our topic today is general solutions of some questions that are solved without any law. So I'm taking my first question. Express the following in exponential form. We can see that minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 into multiply by minus 3 into minus 3 whole upon 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Minus 3 is repeated here 4 times and 7 is also repeated here 4 times in the denominators. So our answer will be minus 3 upon 7 raised to the power 4. Okay, this is called the exponential form because 4 here is the exponent. Similarly, I'm taking second question. Express the following rational number in exponential form. Our question is minus 25 upon 36. (25) upon 36 can be expressed like this, 5 into 5, and 36 can be expressed as 6 into 6. So 5 upon 6 has a common power of 2. So this is the second solution. Our next question is here, number 3. Evaluate. Evaluate means you have to find the value. Okay. Our question is 2 upon minus 3 raised to power 4. So 2 will be written 4 times with multiplication sign between them, and minus 3 will be written 4 times between them. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. This negative sign will be cancelled by this negative sign and this with this. 3 3s is 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So our answer is 16 upon 81. Let us take one more question. Express the answer in lowest terms. Our question is 6 upon 5 raised to power 5 multiply by 5 upon 12 raised to power 4. So 6 will be written 5 times here and 5 written 5 times. Similarly, 5 will be written here 4 times as it has 4 power. And 12 will also be written 4 times. Okay. 6 1s are 6 2s are 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 2 1s are 2 3s are. Here we have 4 times 5. Here we have 5 times 5. In the numerator, we have only 1 3 left here. So 3 will be left here in the numerator. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40. So 3 upon 40 is the clear answer. Now let us take one more question. Question number 5. Find the reciprocal of minus 2 upon 3 raised to power 4. For finding its reciprocal, we have to solve first, because right now we are not using the laws. Minus 2 will be here 4 times. This is called the expansion. And 3 will be written 4 times. Minus minus cancelled, minus minus cancelled. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 3 3 the 9, 9 3 the 27, 27 3 the 81. Now its reciprocal is 81 upon 16. This is the reciprocal. Let us take one more question. What number must be multiplied by minus 4 upon 5 raised to power 2 to get 2 upon 3 raised to power 3. We don't know what is the number that should be multiplied to this number, so I am taking it as x. Let the required number be x. According to question, minus 4 upon 5 whole square multiplied by the unknown value x gives you 2 upon 3 raised to power 3. Now minus 4 into minus 4 upon 5 into 5. This is the expansion. And 2 into 2 into 2. Here 3 into 3 into 3. Here negative negative be cancelled. 4 4 is 16. 5 5 is 25. 2 2 is 4. 4 2 is 8. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. Now this 16 upon 25 will be reciprocal on being transported to right hand side. So 25 will be up and 16 will be down. 8 1s are 8 2s are. So our clear answer is 25 upon 27 to the is 54. It was the general solutions. Okay, so please practice it. yourself.